We are excited to hear from our customers and love the feedback they provide. Tammy said, "We absolutely enjoyed working with Steve and Becky. We have marble floors that need restoration. Steve was able to get our floors back to almost new condition. They look amazing. I was also very happy with their attention to detail and how clean they worked. They took care of my home like it was their own. I would highly recommend Steam Boss for any stone or tile cleaning and restoration. Great to work with." Another satisfied customer gave us this exciting review. Heather said, "I highly recommend Steam Boss. I had stains on my marble and stuff stuck on my shower tile. Steve did a great job removing it. He was conscious of the cost for me too. I will definitely use him again. We love to provide excellent service to our customers. You won't find a better deal than our affordable prices combined with our exceptional team. Whether it's cleaning your stone, carpets, furniture, or walls, we guarantee you'll be amazed at the results. Don't miss out on the opportunity to become one of our highly satisfied customers. Call 727-301-4149 for a free estimate today. That's 727-301-4149 or visit www.steambossing.com.